My name is Stephanie Saylor, and this is a visual phasing workshop. We will be discussing how to upload your raw DNA data to GEDmatch in this segment. Create or sign into your GEDmatch.com account. Then you will click Generic Uploads, circled in red here. You will then be directed to a new page to fill in the required information for that DNA kit, such as the name of the donor, gender of the donor, testing company, that you have authorization to upload that sample, and then you can select any specific settings you desire. After you do all the things marked in red which are required and change the settings as you desire, you can then click down here at the Choose File button and select your DNA data file you've downloaded from the testing company from your computer. Once that's done and all your information on this is filled out, click the Uploads button. All 22 autosomes will then proceed across your screen, and the X chromosome as they're finished processing. When this is done, you'll see a red number or sequence of numbers and letters at the bottom of your screen. Copy the number and type the name of who it applies to in your visual phasing document or template so it can be easily accessed later when working on this project. If you lose it, don't worry. You can find the number on the home page of the GEDmatch site, but I do recommend putting this in another document on your computer so it's easily copied and pasted once we begin working in GEDmatch. Pause the workshop and upload a DNA test to GEDmatch and try to teach your neighbor what you learned walking them through this process.